Today I'm going to demonstrate the Pipa knot. Hi, I'm Sheena Joy. I create macrame textile art and I'm here to simply inspire you to do the same. If that's your jam, subscribe and hit the bell notification. You're going to need at least a 24-inch piece of cord. While working, make sure the short end of the cord is on your right and the longer cord is on the left. First, we make a small loop with the long cord overlapping the short cord. Next, while still working with the long cord, you want to make an additional loop at the bottom, just like so. Bringing your long working cord up and across the top of your small loop, you wrap it around behind, and then you bring it down. Be sure to make your adjustments here because the bottom loop determines how big your pipa is going to be. So with your working cord, we're going to nestle it inside of the larger loop. Make sure everything fits all perfectly snug. Bring your working cord back up again and around your smaller top loop. Go behind, and then we're going to bring it right back down again, coiling inside of our larger loop again. As you can see, if we keep repeating this process, it makes a larger pipa. Once our bottom loop is full, we're going to take our working cord and fish it right through the center of our pipa. If you want to make this knot a lot larger, I suggest using a much thicker cord. Otherwise it gets a little flimsy unless you use fabric stiffener. So right now I'm just kind of fluffing it up and straightening it out so that it is our complete finished knot. This is a Chinese knot that's often used for decorative little finishes. You can use it for earrings or you can use it as pull tabs for zippers, and it was named after the Chinese instrument. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll like. I'll see you over there.